Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Ghayyas Ahmed and you are watching Learn Pashto Language channel. Today we are going to discuss singular subject pronouns and the verb to be. So let's get started. First person singular. Pronoun. Pronoun is those things which is used instead of a noun. Means I, we, you, they, he, she, it. The sequence of the lesson is very simple. First sentence is in English, or first word is in English, second one is in Urdu, and third one is in Pashto. We have written both of them in Roman and in Pashto. Roman Pashto and in Pashto transcript. English I, Urdu मैं, Pashto z, I, z. Verb am. English am, Urdu हूँ, Pashto yum. Second person singular. Pronoun you. English you, Urdu तुम या आप, Pashto तुम त, आप taso. Ta is used when we are talking to someone which is younger than us, or we are too much frank with him or her. But when we are talking to someone who is elder, or we are keeping deference in mind that he is elder or he is respectful, and we are not frank with him or her, then we will use taso. Informally we use ta, and formally we will use taso. Both are used for you, for the word you. Verb are. English are, Urdu ho, Pashto ye ya yai. If we are talking about a singular noun, then we will use ye. But ye will be used when the person we are talking with is younger than us, or we are too much frank with him or her. Ye is used for plural or for singular. In that case, if we are talking him or her formally, means we are keeping distance in mind, and we are keeping such respect in our mind that we have to talk formally. Then we will use ye. Ye and ye, both meaning are. The word are is used for ye and ye. Third person singular, masculine. Pronoun he. English he, Urdu wo, Pashto haga. Verb they. They is used for masculine, and its meaning is in English, and he in Urdu, and in Pashto we use they. Third person singular for feminine. Pronoun she, wo, haga. Verb da. English is, Urdu hai, Pashto da. For feminine we use da for is. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you found it helpful, or if you found any kind of problem or facing any kind of problem, you can use the comment section to ask. I will try my best to solve out. I will be available in the next lesson. Till that, fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum.